Alrighty, guys, I'm on my way to do a side job, and I forgot my buddy's shop is right here. I'm finna stop by here and see what my buddy up to. Y'all stay tuned. Man, what the hell you doing, man? oh, mercy. You up here on a Sunday? Hey, I was riding through here. I'm going to do a side job. I was like, oh shit, that's my buddy. Andre, you see me make a U-turn right there?
I'm so happy to see you.
What's up, man? Oh, you doing it? Oh, yeah, that's the one you was asking me about.
Yeah, you drinking Guinness?
Huh?
Drink Guinness?
No, I'm good. I'm about to go. I'm headed down the street.
What you drink?
I don't drink at all.
You don't drink
Yeah,
either?
I'm good, man. I'm good.
Yeah.
How's it going? Forget that. How's it going? You got that?
Fuck the work, man.
Oh, come on, man. You want to stop and take a break, don't you?
No, I gotta work now. I was hoping to finish this up today.
What you doing? What you doing?
I put some head gasket on it.
Oh, hey, guys. Ooh, it's over here?
No, it's water in the thing. Water getting
Yeah, good. Because they will shatter or they will cross up inside.
I bought a new one.
Yeah. As long as you go back in with a new one. Yeah, because.
Yeah. But when that's why I thought that was it. But when I go in.
Oh, you thought that was the original problem?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, that thing got an EGR coolant. This is Gen 3 Pentastar.
Man, this motherfucker trouble something like that.
It ain't that bad.
Yeah?
Yeah, see?
You see, right. So when I look at the bottom here, it don't look crack up and it don't look off.
Yeah.
You understand?
Okay. Oh, you ain't got the heads off yet.
Yeah, I already put it.
Oh, you already put it on there?
Yeah.
Yeah, you see, you got the timing marks out, man. You should be good.
Yeah, but I didn't. I find a video online.
Arrow to arrow. You found somebody actually doing a Gen 3?
Yeah.
Oh, I haven't been in
I
here.
was hoping you do it. You make a video. So this gear, it's tricky. This makeup gear, I was to call you, but this gear, but then I find a video how you find the marks on this gear.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah, you know
Okay.
the mark on this gear. You see where I touch it right here?
Uh-huh.
There's arrows.
Oh, arrows on it?
Yeah, and you know they usually have dots.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, they don't
So
got no
I'm
dot, no.
looking right from the gear for a dot to line up this bottom here. Right? You see this
Okay.
bottom mark here? Right? And there's no
That
dot.
link, that's the link right there.
To line up to the bottom.
Okay.
And there's no dot. There's an arrow pointing this way and an arrow pointing that way. The chain have a thing that holds it up.
No, the case. That's in the case that holds that
Right.
up. That cover hold that chain in place. That's why we
But
can let
this
that
one-
chain
but
go.
this one don't.
Yeah, see, I've never been in one,
Right,
so I don't
this
know.
This one, the chain is going
Oh no! See, I'm just not hearing that. I don't
And
know.
it's upside it down.
Yeah.
And you can't get to this one.
Yeah. Oh wow.
You see this one, the next one is up here.
Yeah.
You can't get to that one.
Dude,
You have to take the
yeah.
cover off to do that head because they put it upside down. They didn't put it like this. and how they put it, like, remember this chain, if this chain hang, or if they had put like Toyota, they put a little bracket.
To hold it there in place.
A little metal bracket.
Yeah, that's what that cover is on the Gen 2s.
Okay.
The cover got a lift.
Maybe the cover do.
The cover got a lift on it that'll hold, so when we leave the cover on, the chain won't fall. Yeah, it'll hold the chain up. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, that is definitely signs of a blown head gasket. Or signs that water is getting in it. It don't matter, yeah.
I still don't think it's a head gasket.
The gasket didn't look suspect.
Metal gasket. A
Yeah,
metal
MLS,
gasket.
multi-layer
Metal gasket,
steel.
Yeah, metal gasket don't really blow.
I be saying the same thing.
Huh?
I be saying the same. Multi-layer steel gasket have a hard time blowing when you have one. But see, what's it called? Overheating.
No.
Okay, then yeah,
It's
that's
just
coolant
water.
could it?
It's
Yeah,
just coolant getting into it.
Yeah.
The car is not overheating.
and
Yeah.
that's when
And
we
you-
find that we always see that
and you can
coolant.
smell the coolant in the exhaust.
Yeah.
Stick
Oh,
it in
which
the
one to get it,
exhaust
yeah.
to see if I can see which side of water going through there. You know, you can smell the coolant, right?
Now you
Right.
can't. These can fail without blowing. They can actually leak.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm late. I gotta get out. This late. I told this lady I'll be here in 20 minutes.
Always you drink a beer or something.
Oh, no, I don't mess with beer. So you gonna start on this one?
I come to see if I can put that bottle together today.
What is it? What is it?
It's a Porsche car.
Oh, Porsche.
Yeah, the car's a car.
And y'all work on everything, right?
We have
Ooh, I got mad respect for y'all, buddy. Ooh, no.
You're a mechanic. You could make it happen. You're a
Yeah,
good
but
mechanic.
I've been Dodge 20-some years, so this is all I
I've been
know.
at Toyota for like 15, 20 years too, but I've been working on stuff, any stuff before I went to Toyota, and then I went to Toyota.
Yeah.
But once you out here,
Yeah.
you understand, you gotta make the, it fluctuates, but you enjoy the fluctuation.
Right.
Come on out and hang with me, man.
Y'all can have it, man.
Yo,
I gotta go do this side job, man.
no, come on out and do some work with me.
No, man. I'm heavily on YouTube now, so the bulk of my time is in my.
Man, come do your YouTube video.
Yeah, but I'm live streaming now. A lot of live. So I just sit in front of my desk and my computer and do my thing. Hey, man, I gotta go, man. I'm lazy.
You can't go be talking.
No, I can't talk, baby. Dude,
I got a lot of work to do, man.
Dude, man, she respected me. I
She
told
got
her.
you to be 30 minutes.
I
Sit
can't.
the fuck up, man. You can be 30 minutes, man. I'm so happy to see you.
Where's the other van at? It was a van. I rode through here one time. It was a Chrysler van over there. I guess.
I had to give myself a chance, you know.
Yeah.
But I'm happy to hear that YouTube is blowing up or whatever it is.
Yeah, okay.
If you ever want to come out and make a video, whatever it is,
That's what's up, man. Let me
you're
go.
welcome.
Good to see you, baby.
Happy to see you.
All right, man. Later. That was cool, man. Hello, Andre used to work with us at the dealership a long time ago. He got his own shop now. I'm proud of my man. He doing his thing. Every now and then he run into trouble with Chrysler product. Like that one. That looks like a Charger, right? Yeah, so my man will give me a call and I'd be more than happy to help him out. That Jeep y'all looked at, he called me 2 days ago on that, asking me about should he take the timing cover off to do the heads. I was against that, guys. I don't, but I would never advise anybody to do that. Now, there's some things that I do that I don't advise others to do. Please understand, okay? Yes. I know, practice what you preach, but no, not in my case. I just don't. Guys, I gotta head to my side job. What I'm supposed to be doing. I don't know how I got sidetracked like that, but it was good seeing my buddy, and I was able to vlog some of this stuff. Ooh, did y'all see the water oil mixture in that valve cover? I don't know about that one, guys. Those head gaskets didn't look suspect. All right, let me shut this car. But we'll talk some more, guys. Right now, I gotta go do this side job on this oil filter adapter housing. I'm in suspense. I don't know what kind of part she got me. However, I'm going to put on what I'm given. Okay, if it's a Derman, damn it, it's a Derman. Y'all know I don't like Derman. Y'all know I am a Mopar or no car type guy. None of that Derman stuff over here. However, there's a however. Whatever floats the customer boat. She might have got it dirt cheap. I don't know. It might be flimsy. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, it was good seeing my buddy. Man, I hope that's the problem, guys. Ooh, that's bothering me. I was expecting to see water oil mixture in the. I didn't even tell him I was coming by. I just happened to pop up. But he called me and asked me. Yes, don't be doing heads without taking time, especially on that, guys. That is easy. Y'all see all the room on that Jeep? So you're doing yourself a disservice by hacking, doing cheating stuff when it's easy. 10 bolts maybe and that cover is off. So why fight with that damn cover and chain? Guys, I gotta go, man. We'll talk some more later. Stay tuned.